Fab Daddy?
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
It's been a long while since we recorded anything on this truck.
Yep. Bouncing around between projects, you know.
They just had you busy with this right here.
Yeah. And then I did some stuff on that. Now I'm back to this. Did some stuff out there. Now I'm back in here.
Damn, they got you working overtime.
I know, dude. Only fabricator in here.
Okay, give us a little update on this, Mr. Fabricator.
All right, so it's time to do dual cases now. I got the factory transfer case over there on the floor. Factory boy cut off.
Trash.
And we got the new crawl box from Trail Gear. So this is essentially half of another transfer case with an adapter that bolts to the transmission. And
Is this Trail Gear's adapter as well?
Yeah, they sell this whole unit just like this, ready to go in.
Sweet. Okay, so how far are we from actually putting that bad boy in?
Once I get this bolted to that transfer case, to that transmission, and make a new cross member to hold it up, then those guys are going underneath.
Okay.
I'll start making link mounts and everything.
All right, well, I'm not gonna bother you. I'm gonna let you get to it then.
For sure. See you soon.
Прошло 4 hours.
Adam Fab, what's up, baby?
What's up, Arthur?
I like that shirt, dude.
Thanks, man. Pismo.
Let me see the back.
It's like the same, I think,
this is
right?
some OG stuff, huh? How old is this?
I don't know. It's a hand-me-down.
Nice, nice.
A lot of my friends give me clothes, so I don't have to buy them.
Okay. Well, now
More
I know,
money for
now
trucks.
I know where to put some donations towards.
Yeah.
Anyhow, it's been a little bit since you worked on this.
Yeah.
Last we seen, you were messing with the T case.
Yeah. Dual cases are in there and mounted.
Yeah. So the dual cases are in there, and just now you were reinforcing the frame.
Yeah. So I put frame plates along the inside of the frame rails.
For
The dual case cross member where it welds to the frame.
Nice.
As well as the link mounts are going to weld there
so
also.
I seen you underneath there.
Yeah.
Seeing what you can come up with. Did you come up with a solution?
Yeah.
Do you have a plan, game plan?
So you saw those, right? And I have something like this. Welds to the frame.
Uh-huh.
Piece of square
Nice,
tubing.
Nice, nice.
Go and bolt all the way across frame to
Right.
frame. T cases around here.
Okay.
And then you're going to have link mounts welded off of that to the axle, you know?
Okay. Sounds like you got it figured out. You know what
Yeah, a
you're
little
doing.
bit. So I'm going to put these puzzle pieces together, and then you can come see after it's welded up.
Okay, for sure. Nice. I'm glad it's moving along. People
Yeah.
are waiting for this thing, dude. People
Yeah,
are
man.
waiting for this.
I've been waiting too,
Yeah. Well,
working on other stuff.
I know we've been
Now
so
the
busy.
lift is
We've
open.
had projects
Now I
coming
can do
in and
this.
out, and like we've finally got a little bit of room cleared up. So things
Yeah.
it's been kind of hectic.
Got some breathing room now.
Yeah. All right, man. Get to it.
Hammer down.
All right, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Tell me what's going on, man.
Yeah, you saw me weld those frame mounts for the cross member?
You spent some good time under there.
Yeah, got a little tan.
Everything worked
Little
out
birdie.
nice?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I pulled out the center section of the cross member and attached the T-case mount to it. Look at that neat little thing, man.
Yeah, sick.
And don't worry that it's off center. It's supposed to be like that.
Oh, I thought you just don't know how to center things.
Yeah.
That'd kind of be bad.
Because see, the way the driveline sits in there, it's supposed to be off to the side.
Yeah.
On this particular vehicle.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna weld this up, and then I'm gonna put sleeves in here for the bolt holes, and then cap it so it doesn't get full of water and dirt and rocks and oil and all kinds of things.
How's it looking?
Pretty good, man. You tell me.
Atom Fab always looks good, dude.
Passes inspection.
Well, yeah.
Good morning, Arthur.
You good, man?
And world.
You good?
Yeah, I'm great. How you doing?
Cool. Yeah, I'm good, man. I see you
Terrific.
making sparks over here.
Yeah. So, these here are getting.
We see you welding up the cross member. You welded up the receiving points for these.
Yep.
You're prepping everything basically to get links in there.
Yeah.
Right? Is that where we're heading?
Yeah. So these are the lower links. They're gonna locate the axle. I got the mounts made on the axle and on the frame.
Want to show me real quick?
Yeah. Come take a look. Here. So yeah, you saw those ones on the cross member before, right?
Yeah. Okay.
I got those things burned in because there's nowhere else they can really go.
Nice. So this is just tacked up for now.
Yeah. The mount itself is welded, but tacked to the axle.
Okay.
Just in case I have to move it or do something different.
Yeah.
I got the axle centered and positioned kind of where I want it and where it needs to be.
Well, this is it. This is home. This is where it's going to be.
Yeah, pretty much for now.
Well, I've been enjoying capturing those little sneak shots from the distance with the big boy camera.
Yeah, those are cool, huh?
It's been kind of fun. So we'll see how this will turn out.
The big telescope.
Yeah. And then maybe the people can take a vote what they like more.
Yeah. And then you got to get a mic and whatever figured out on that thing.
So we can hear your cursing underneath there?
Yeah, God. So yeah, I'm going to tack these here joints in. And then I'll stick them up in there.
Nice. Dude, these are some beef sauce. What is this? What kind of tubing is this?
This is 2-inch, 250 wall DOM.
Okay. 250 wall DOM.
Which also means 1/4 inch.
Okay.
So she's thick and strong.
1/4 inch thick.
Yeah. 250 thousandths of an inch.
2-inch outer diameter.
Yeah.
And 1/4 inch wall thickness, pretty much.
Yep, you got it, man.
Nice.
You're catching on.
Yeah, I am. Big boys right here.
These are some metal cloak joints.
You just got the sleeve that goes in there and just.
Yeah.
What do you call it? What do you
This
call it?
here's
Sleeve?
this here's a tube adapter.
Tube adapter.
This welds into the tube, has
Right.
threads.
Thread, yeah,
so
yeah,
you can adjust that.
Nice.
Dep.
Cool. All
I'm
right,
stuttering a lot today.
well, get on with it, boy.
Okay. Here we go. take a gander underneath.
You're letting me use your bed?
So you can see and whatnot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's not warmed up for you yet.
Oh, dude, this is nice. Oh, yeah. Must be nice, bro. Okay, so we watched you weld the cross member.
Yep. So
Bam.
since then, I got the lower links and the upper link in
Yeah, and I
place.
see that. That's a nice angle. So this is full tuck.
Yeah,
You
full
said-
bump, maximum more than it will ever go.
This is just for clearance sake to
Yeah.
make to have peace of mind and know
Yeah,
that.
to see how high up
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
get
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
That way, by the time it's bumped and shocks are installed, you know everything has
You were
room.
mentioning the link that goes
Yeah, the upper link there.
right between the exhaust.
Yeah, can
So
you
it's
see
like
that?
right between the frame and the exhaust.
Mm-hmm.
And it tucks right in there.
Super tight clearance.
Yeah, that's nice, dude. That's really nice.
So now the axle's located,
Mm-hmm.
forward and back. Next up is left and right. I'm working on the pan hard right now. I got it mounted on the frame side. I haven't done the axle side yet.
Very cool. And then I seen you were chopping up the
Yeah, so the factory,
the pitman arm, right?
yeah, the factory FJ80 boxes pitman arm drops down about 2 inches or so. And we don't want that because we want up travel. We don't want
Yeah.
clearance issues there.
Yeah.
You see that offset pan hard though? That's pretty sick, huh?
Yeah, that is.
Got it to curl around the box a little bit.
Man,
Keep
look
it in
at
front of
you,
the axle.
bro. Look at you.
Z-bend.
That's kind of cool.
Jog.
And the bar too. You can see the bar has like a really funky.
Yeah, it's bent slightly to go around the diff
right
cover.
right around the diff.
Yeah,
Look at that.
just to get me as tight as I can.
That's sick. That's very nice, Adam.
Yeah.
It is
So yeah,
very nice.
we don't want that drop pitman arm. So I flattened it out.
Chopped it up.
Yep, cut it at the bends, beveled both sides. Tacked it with the MIG, but I pulled out the TIG welder to get a nice proper weld in there.
Still a little warm. A little flat boy, huh?
Yeah, instead of a drop boy, a flat boy. Bring it up higher, get more room.
This thing escalated kind of quickly, huh?
Yeah.
It was like we had the first episode, and it sat for a while. You were busy running around.
Doing other
And then
jobs.
suddenly the boys are back on the
Yeah,
big projects.
put the other stuff to a pause. Got some time to catch up on the big boys.
Yes, sir. I like it. All right, well, I won't
Yes.
interfere. I'll let you
Very
let you load that
nice.
sucker up.
Is it break time yet, though? Maybe
Pretty
after
much,
break?
yeah. Go to break, have some break, and then
Yeah.
have some break.